How to share and export bookmarks from Google Chrome on Android. So if you want to share and export bookmarks on Google Chrome or from Google Chrome on your Android, then first you need to open up your Chrome browser. Once you're under the Chrome browser, now you just need to simply go with the upper right, which has that three dots icon, and tap on the bookmarks option. Once you're under the bookmarks, now here you will get two or three options. So if you choose the mobile bookmarks, then you will have all of that. So here, for example, I'll be choosing the mobile bookmarks. Once you've chosen, now you just need to simply go with the right side, which has three dots icon, and from here you may have an option of share or export. But if you don't have the option, then you just need to simply go with the bookmarks on the upper side. Simply tap on the edit option under the bookmarks. So once you tap on the bookmark, then it will take you to the bookmark page, right? So you just need to simply go with the upper right, which has that three dots icon, and then tap on the star shaped icon, which is on the upper side. And here it will take you to this kind of page where what you need to do is simply go and copy the URL. So simply tap and copy the URL, tap on copy. Once you've copied, now you just need to simply go back and you need to go with your WhatsApp, Messenger, Instagram, anything that you're comfortable with, and just paste that link. And in this way, you'll be able to share and export the bookmarks from Google Chrome on your Android. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.